Morning world. How's that for a view to wake up in the morning too? Lens is frosting again. Yeah, how's that for a view? Breakfast time. Hello.
Hello.
Breakfast time. I already finished one plate of eggs, but this is my second.
Wow.
Looks good. Different countries. Going to the beach, but first have to return the bike. I want to ride the bike some more. How about next time we come together? It's an open invitation to people watching the vlog, and then we can all ride bikes together. Bye bike. It's been good. Dive and water sports. So we are at this something tour. I don't know what the place called actually, to be honest, but it's water sports. Check out all the... Oh, he's loading up like oxygen canisters inside. I thought it sounded like thunder. Look at that, man! The jet skiing looks fun though. And then there's like parasailing, which we'll be doing, and then we will also be going diving. So that'll be fun, I hope. Yeah. Yeah, but the thing is though, is I don't have a GoPro, so I can't really film like diving and stuff like that. But we'll see, we'll see. I'll tell you how fun it is. Just done with the water sports. That was fun. Sorry. And yeah. This is actually a good testament to how important a GoPro is. So if you're ever coming to somewhere with this kind of water adventure kind of place, bring a GoPro, buy a GoPro, or a drone, or both. That's better yet. Also, diving was fun and interesting. It took some time to get used to first, but then it's okay. We've got some CD from the place, so at the moment I can extract that out when I get back home to Singapore. I'll be sure to show you guys some diving clips, or pictures, or clips.
Thank the people.
We're at this alley street thing, at this place called Bakmi Keriting Kori. I think that's how you pronounce that. And yeah, here for noodles, because noodle is good.
Original berapa? Original Daniel, dua. Original one.
So this is actually their house, like the porch, and then they're cooking over there. You just set up tables and they can sell food. Can't do that in Singapore without a license. Look, oh, Housewife just came into frame trying to eat it, but that's it. Ma's having the green noodles, and then there's nice. Food was awesome. Look for this place. We stopped the car here at this very ulu spot by this road. Turns out this place here is a little secret spot. He calls, it's called Uluwatu. So, oh, so like I go under the shrubbery over here and keep your head low. And look at that. Yeah.
No insurance, bro.
Yeah.
Apple.
This is them, right? Though the drop is cray cray, like it's literally cray. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Confirm mati. But nice though. This is nice. You cannot really beat this. This is the... that's the Indian Ocean. Like there!
And the Indian Ocean.
So we're at this touristy street in Seminyak, which has all these brands like Nike and Oakley and everything else really. So yeah, we're just gonna walk down this whole street and find something nice. Hopefully we can get cool shit. They actually have a coffee shop here where everyone sits in a very... That's how it looks like. What's this called again? Everyone sits like that, in like a grandstand like that, and they actually watch you walk by. Talk about like having coffee and walking and watching people walk by.
Nice, right?
Yeah. We're at this place called Ling Ling.
Oh, they made me talk.
Ling Ling is... I have no idea what's here though.
The reason why this place so crowded.
Oh wow, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2.
Astro Boy. Really nice deco.
But then later you
Steak every day. Steak, steak, steak. Very Bioshock-like. Look at that. Cool. Much Bioshock. Bye guys. Yeah, I actually could have brought the cam. Yeah, I could have brought the camera to parasailing, but I didn't do that. Damn it, now I regret. I should have brought it. But anyways,